The sweetest thing that he has done for me, he keeps on coming back here in Manila, and he gave me a Euro trip. Like, he spent everything for my Euro trip with him. Went to Paris, Barcelona, pati rin pagpunta ko ng London. He paid for everything. He always looks after me. We do a lot of sweet things together. We share food together. Like, even in the mga fine dining, nag-share kami ng food. I think we love sharing everything. He's my best friend kasi lahat talaga, I think everything that he does for me is special. So, yeah.
in the future ba, do you think you're ready to settle down with him?
Yeah! Yes, I am. We know that na. Alam na namin. He's really the right one.
May timeline ka na ba? By this age, kailangan?
Gusto namin siguro baka, kung marriage, baka 2 years from now. For kids, actually gusto na namin ka-baby, but then I just signed up with Viva. Gusto ko munang lubos-lubosin yung contract ko. May 4 years contract ako. So, baka mas maganda kung i-enjoy namin na kung mag-usal kami, enjoy muna namin yung married life namin. Tapos, we plan to travel around the world after marriage. So, and then saka mag-kids. As much as possible, I can't pa eh. But I really want na. Mahilig kami sa kids.